It is now the 7th of July 2020, and people are still talking about The Last of Us Part 2. Even though this game, in terms of how it's performing and how it looks, is basically Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons of Liberty. Now then, you might be saying, that's a very odd comparison. These are two different competing games. Well, let's see. Both are cinematic based. They literally drive a lot of their inspiration from the film. Kojima's like 70% movie, if you ask him. And probably the best comparison is the fact that Metal Gear Solid 2 and Last of Us 2 both advertise themselves as, oh, you are playing as this one character, you're not playing as someone else. Our advertising and our goddamn gameplay demonstrations all showed that you are playing as this person. And then the product comes out. And it turns out that somewhat, maybe halfway through the game or some part of the game, you change characters to this character that no one asked for, but the game tells you to suck it up. And so people play it. The only issue with these two characters is the fact that Raiden just looks like Snake, but if he was more white, I guess. He has blonde hair, a much more slimmer stature, and has the common courtesy to say what to everything he says or does. While Abby is basically, while Ellie was quite buff and military trained, and looks like she could punch a man through cage inwards. The controversy surrounding both of these series is basically the switching part of the whole entire narrative. Most people say that I don't like the story. No one cares about the story in the long run. It's more either you or me type of thing when it comes to story. Since when you look at like Metacritic, both of these games are given the most highest praises by paid reviewers, while while the audience is less so. Granted, MGS2 probably now has more positive, but if this game was to come out today, it would have the exact same Metacritic score as for audience reviews. This is the unfortunate reality of living in an internet world where information can be traveled at the speed of light and things can be said with very little rhyme or reason. But then again, the other similarities to these two games is the fact that gameplay-wise, neither of them really expand from where they are. They just add few things that are now probably going to be considered as the industry standard. Like MGS2 had details that was not necessary, like when you shoot at things such as glass, they will shatter and break, and narrative structure, things of that nature. Well, Last of Us Part 2 has probably threw the idea of accessibility to non-able players to the forefront with the most expansive accessibility functions you could ever want. Although, let's just switch gears to story. Yeah, what's there to say about MGS2 story? It sounds like complete nonsense. But there's structure there, there's characters, there's motives, but from the outset, it does look like nonsense. If it came out today, I don't think SAW or anyone with a political feeling in their bone would realistically even touch MGS, but the fact of the matter is, you would need to actually play it to understand what the hell was going on. Well, Last of Us is basically incredibly straightforward. Revenge plot, A, revenge plot B. Both characters have revenge plots. One character has the most spiraling level of revenge plot, the other one has the most straightforward revenge plot. Although, in addition to that, both games have two story plot lines going on at the same time. With MGS2, there is a plot on the ideas of sequels, and there's also a plot on government conspiracies. Kojima's game literally explores the ideas of the sequel, the expectations, the ideas of video games itself, with the literal characters having to turn the video game off, and the fact that when you actually meet Snake again, he's literally an AI that cheats in the actual game. He has infinite ammo. While the two plot lines that are going through Last of Us Part 2 are the idea is a very straightforward revenge plot with a side objective of ideas such as forgiveness and sexuality. And yes, and the idea of like seeing the world through another person's lens. Since you do in Last of Us Part 2 play through similar events through Abby's eyes and Ellie's eyes. And let's be honest, both of these games are very much can be described as the biggest word you can ever think of is the word avant-garde when it comes to how they present themselves. But in all honesty, they're just both games were trying to try something almost suicidal in the medium to achieve something that maybe not the fan base wants, but in time they can appreciate. And that's one of the biggest aspects of these two games is time. Time will change how these games are viewed. Time has worked for MGS. It is now beloved by fans, more or less, and the critical acclaim for it still holds. MG Last of Us may have its haters or its people who do not agree with the literal video game, but no one asked you to. It's literally giving you another aspect of life. But then again, asking players to forgive a antagonist who literally bludgeoned the main character. The first game is a bit of a pill to swallow, but then again, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. So, yeah, that's probably everything that I need to cover for these two games. Video games were made for a different time. One was made before like the rise of the internet has been taken over. The other one made after like the internet has been understood. Hell, if the circumstances of how Last of Us 2 was played out with MGS, does anyone really think that MGS2 would be treated how it is? Like, would people still lambast it as they did for Last of Us? That is probably something to really think about in the long run. But the time will tell if this game will truly hold to its name and hold to its critical acclaim. Until then, time is now on this game's side, or is going to be yours not.